Welcome to the screen of my phone. Yes, it is your money paddy girl that is here now. And if somebody has told you that you cannot make money online, tell them that it is 101% sure that there is money online. So today I promised to bring two websites that I used to make money online, and then I've dropped one. So somebody said I should drop the other two, so I'll be doing that in this video. So the first app is, let me open my Google. So the first site is OurKids. Apart from the one I said in the previous video, okay, this will be the second one. Let me put it that way. You see, you get paid for posting adverts daily on social media. You earn daily income. You can make passive income from this site, guys. So you just log in and create your account, or you follow the link in my description of this video, and then you can see that they have 200,000 members, 50,000 advertisers, then they have 10 million advert view. There is money here, guys. Then 300,000 app downloads. People are really making money here daily. Get people at least 1,000 followers to post your adverts and perform social tasks for you on their social media accounts. It's either you work here or they work for you. That is what this site is, and that is what the other site too that I will be sharing you to look like. So you get paid for posting adverts on your social media. And another clue I want to give you here is that, okay, maybe you have a Facebook account that you've been using and you've been active on it, but you don't want people to know that, okay, you are doing this kind of legit hustle online. Then all what you just have to do is just to open a new Facebook account and start posting this advert that you will get paid from. Just start posting it on it. So it is not that hard. It's as simple as I can see. The balance is 50,000. People are really making money on this app. You can advertise your products. If you are selling clothes, you are selling anything online, just post it here. You see your audience that will surely reach out to you, that they want to get this, they want to get that. So you don't have to break the bank to get people to repost your adverts for you. But as low as 150 naira, you can get people at least 1,000 followers each to repost your adverts on their social media for that affordable price. Guys, don't stress yourself paying influencers that, okay, you want to boost your account, you want to boost your business. Then this is what you can basically do every day, and then you get customers for your product. You can advertise and earn on social media accounts. Join thousands of people using OurKids to advertise and earn steady income from their social media accounts. So if you want to get started, just create an account. Then you will use 1,000 naira to activate your account to get started. And then for now, they are running promo actually. So if you register with 1,000 naira, then you get 200 naira cashback. So like you are using 800 naira to register your account, and from there you start making your money steadily. Then don't sleep on this thing, guys. Like OurKids have been, like, I've heard about it since last year, and then it has been paying very well. So like this is the best site to just jump on and get started. So I'll be showing the second one I use now. Yes, this is the second site that I have been using since I think 2020 or 2021. I've been active on this platform. You can see, like, they say that they're telling us that 208,000 plus tasks completed. Small gigs, big results. Small gigs mean like small jobs, like simple tasks. Then you get big results. It's a crowdsourcing platform from individuals and businesses. So NaraWorkout is a freelancing, outsourcing, and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria through our marketplace. You just go through this site, guys. So it's either you work on this app, like you bring business to this app, or you help other people to do their business, like just simple tasks, like sign up to a website, you download mobile apps, then you post, and you follow Facebook pages, then you subscribe to YouTube channel and all that. Like you can work as a freelancer too. Like whenever there is job here, just jump on it and then get your money. So like you can subscribe to a YouTube channel, you can like, you can follow Instagram posts, like, and you get your money. Once you do it very well, then you get your money here. So like let me log into my account. Let me log into my account here, then you see it. Okay, let me log into my account. I have accounts here already. Sorry. Okay. I have a I'm trying to sign in. So for you to see how the site looks like. So this is my dashboard. You can see this is my dashboard here, and then let me go to my profile. Okay, this is me. Esther look fine. This is me. So I've been here since 2021, and then this is money I earned so far. But basically, I use this site to post jobs that I want people to do for me. Maybe subscription to my YouTube channel, or following me on my other YouTube channel, or following me on Facebook, or maybe helping me to repost jobs on their WhatsApp status, and so like you can refer people here, so you get commission whenever the person earns, to you to be earning. So like these are the available jobs that you can do on the site. So like you are going to see different kind of jobs that are here. See, follow Twitter, you get 7 naira. You follow Instagram account, you get 7 naira. YouTube subscription, 20 naira. We see different. You see another YouTube subscribers there, 14 naira. So per day, look at this one, 18 naira. Per day, you can get close to like 500 naira per day from here. And the minimum amount of money you can withdraw from this site is 2,000 naira. So it is not too much for you to get like that. So like you need to work daily on this site, and then once your tax has been confirmed by the job owners, then you get your money in your wallet. So these are the jobs I have posted to my accounts, my jobs I have posted. Like if you want to get people to do tax for you, just come straight to this site. It is as simple as that. See, like 1 year ago, like this is what I've posted on the site, and it is legit. It is not robot that is working for you here. So like if you find this video helpful, just let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to drop the links of this site in the description below, and then I'm going to drop our Telegram group community link in the description below too. So anytime I post videos like this and you do not get it, I'm going to let you know, and I'm going to let you know other side also that I've not been posting on this my YouTube channel. I'm going to send it to that Telegram link. So if you are someone like me that's so passionate about making our own money, you get stick to this channel. Stick to this channel. Then let me know in the comments below if this video is helpful to you, and then you want me to make more videos like this. Just let me know, and then just comment below. Your comments, your likes, your subscription will always boost my channel, and it will surely let us grow. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in my next video.